Hello everyone, this is the next session on content fragment variation. As you can see on my screen, this is just a screen where I have opened up one of the content fragment. So here we are trying to understand how variation will be available for content fragment and AEM as a cloud service environment. So as you can see currently I do not have it is a simple content fragment screen and I cannot have any option to play around with the content fragment variation. Similarly, if we want to enable it, once that will be enabled on the content fragment screen, as you can see here on the documentation, you will have a button, generate variation, that you cannot see on my screen because it is not enabled as of now. Similarly, once that is enabled, you can see on the home screen of AEM, this particular icon will be available. So it means once that icon, or you can see on the content fragment editor, this button, it means your content fragment generate variations are enabled on your system. So let's talk about how you can enable that. So in order to enable that, what we need to do, we need to first access our environment, and if you are having the privileges of or might be admin level of privileges, then you can land on this kind of screen, which you can also reach out once you click on this, the products which are icon from the top right. And if you select experience manager, in that way also you can reach out to this screen. Now, once you have this screen, you need to click on the card with the name of extension manager. Once you click on the launch, you will land on the screen like this, where you can see all the available extensions and developed by Adobe, or might be you are having some your own extension, that everything you can see here. We are talking about today the generate variation. So two options are available for the generate variation. As you can see, this is by Adobe only. So one option is related to your content fragment. As you can see, it is available or extending the feature of content fragment editor. The next one is the universal editor, which is for your EDS. So let's talk about generate variation for content fragment editor. What you need to do, you want to learn more about this, you can go on the docs and you can click on the try. Once you click on the try, it will start prompting you to select your particular environment where you want to enable this feature. From this drop down, you need to select your environment. So once you select your environment, for example, by default stage, production stage and development environments are coming with our cloud service program. You need to select either one. Once you are selecting that, it will open your content fragment overall window where you can see all the fragments available for you. Now what you need to do, you just need to click on any of the content fragment, whatever you want to play around with generative variation feature, and open in the editor. Once you click on the editor, you can see this button will be available for you. However, it was not available for me earlier. It was, just a simple one. So in order to enable it, you just need to, enable your a feature on a particular program or environment, and that's how it will be available for you. So once that is available for me, I can just click on this and I will land on the generate variation screen. So that's how you can land and on the generative screen and can enable generate variation feature on a particular environment within a program. Thank you.